Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the truth about switching templates in Squarespace 7.1. Let's get right to it. Here's a quick plot twist. If you're on Squarespace 7.1, you actually can't switch your template like you could in older versions. I know that sounds a bit frustrating if you want a fresh start, but don't worry. Squarespace completely changed how their platform works, and every single 7.1 site now runs on the exact same master template engine. Instead of starting a brand new website from scratch, you can completely overhaul your entire design just by changing your site styles. First, log into your account and open up your site editor. Look up at the top right corner of your screen and click on the little paintbrush icon. This opens your Site Styles panel right on the side of your page. From here, you're in total control. You can click into the fonts, colors, or buttons menus to completely change the vibe of your website. Squarespace even includes built-in pre-designed themes and color palettes, making it incredibly easy to snap a fresh, professional look onto your existing content without having to rebuild a single page. If this quick design guide saved you from rebuilding your entire website today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. See you in the next one.